Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to produce some molding. But not just any linear molding, we're going to make it double-sided and curved. So let's see how that's done on Legacy CNC using the horizontal workstation. This curved molding is being applied to a wall clock pattern, and the back side is being mounted to a unique curve on the face of the clock itself. Now you can see here that unique shape is being machined into that part, and then the holes are drilled for alignment pins when we flip it over to side number 2. Now the dust shoe brushes have been opened up during this cutting demonstration so we can see what's going on. The second face is where all the detail work is going to take place. We teach our Legacy CNC customers how to use the advantage of profile-shaped cutters. That's because 3D carving is on average at least 12 times slower than milling using a shape of a cutter. You also receive a finer finish that requires less sanding. This molding cross-section is a great example of using unique shape profiles to create any design that you wish. Here we've combined roundovers, large core box ball cutters, V-chamfers, barley twist OG cutters, and even flat straight cutters to create this cross-section effect. All the cutters shown throughout this cutting demonstration were provided by Magnate. You can visit their website at magnate.net. Afterwards, the ends are cut on a miter saw to be joined with straight molding and assembled to create this beautiful design across the top face of the clock. I hope this video demonstration has answered some questions and helped you understand a little more how Legacy approaches manufacturing problems and finding solutions. Now, if you're interested in seeing what a Legacy CNC can do for your woodworking capabilities or business applications, feel free to visit our website at lwmcnc.com. You can also talk to a CNC expert at any time by calling 801-491-0010. Now, if you're interested in seeing more woodworking discipline videos like these, click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check that notification box so you can receive emails when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.